Hello my dear you all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today too you are going to have another new video. This is also about reflections. Last time we discussed how to in reflection 3 we discussed how to reflect in the lines which are not parallel to axis. Now this video also is an extension of the same part of the lesson, reflection in the lines not parallel to axis. Now we go straight away into the video, and here look at this line, straight line. Now take several points on that. Here, what are the coordinates of this point? If that line passes through the origin, then takes some more points on the line. Origin itself is a point, and look at the coordinates of this point. X is 1, y is also 1. Look at the coordinates of this point. X2, y also 2. Look at this point. X3, y also. That means x coordinate equals y coordinate. Y coordinates equals x coordinate. Therefore, always at any point y coordinates equals x coordinate. Therefore, the equation of this line is y equals x. Right now, we are going to reflect this triangle in the line y equals x. Right now, we will see how it can be done. Now look at this point. Last time we discussed how the shapes are reflected in the lines which are not parallel to axis. Then we discussed that we can't find the image points by going along the lines of graph paper itself, but we followed a bit different method to find the image points by using the lines of the graph paper. Right now, here again, if you want to find the image point of this one, you go along the line of the graph paper passing through this point, that is this line, to the mirror line and other line of reflection, and that line means the line of reflection at this point. On the other side, the line of the graph paper, that means the line of reflection is this line. And look at these two angles, they are equal. You have to look at the angle between the line of reflection and the line coming from the object point, and the angle between the line of reflection line coming from the other side to that point, same point of intersection. Right now, these two angles are equal. Therefore, the image of this point lies along this line, that is at this distance, 4 boxes, 1 2 3 4 here. Now this point, image of this point also lies on the same line. How much distance? 7 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here. Now image of this point, the line of the graph paper passing through that point, and the meeting the line of reflection is this line. It meets the line of reflection at this point. Then from the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Then these two angles are equal. So therefore, image of this point lies on this line on the other side. How much distance from the point of intersection? 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4 here. Right, they are the image points. We found the image points. Not only triangles, any other figure can be given in the question. Quadrilateral, pentagon, anything. This triangle A, this is the image A dash. Right. Now we will see how to reflect this triangle in the same mirror line. Now we will find the image of this point. Then line of the graph paper passing through this point, and the meeting the line of reflection is this line. Then the line of the graph paper from the other side coming to the line of reflection and meeting the line of reflection is this line at the same point. Then you look at the angle, two angles, they are equal. Therefore, image of this point lies along this line at this distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here. Sorry, 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 points here. 8 points. Then next one, this point. Then the line of the graph paper passing through this point and meeting the line of reflection is this line. That means the line of reflection at this side. On the other side, the line of the graph paper, that means the line of reflection at the same point is this. Then these two angles are equal, therefore image of this point lies on this line at this much distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. That is that point. Then next one, find this one. The line of the graph paper passing through this point and meeting the line of reflection is this line. Then from the other side, the line of the graph paper coming to the line of reflection is this line, and it meets the line of reflection at the same point. And then look at the two angles on either side, they are equal, therefore image of this point lies on this line. At how much distance? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 units away from the point of intersection. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 here. This is the image. Object has inverted, right? Let's say B, say B dash. Now we will see how to reflect this triangle in the same line of reflection. Let's say how to find the image point of this one. Then line of the graph paper passing through this point and meeting the line of reflection is this. It meets the line of reflection at this point. From the other side, the line of the graph paper that meets the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Now look at the angle, they are equal, therefore therefore image of this point lies on this line at this distance, 2 boxes here. Then this one, let's find the image of this one. Then line of the graph paper passing through this point and meeting the line of reflection is this line. It meets the line of reflection at this point. And from the other side, the line of the graph paper coming to the line of reflection at the same point is this one. Now look at the angle between these two angles are equal, therefore image of this point and image of this point both lies on the same line. Then at how much distance? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 here. This is another 2 boxes away here. C dash. Now all images are inverted versions of the forms of the object. Now that is how you reflect the line y equals x. Now we will go to another one example. Now look at this line of reflection, this line. Look at the coordinates of several points on that. X minus 2 y2, x minus 3 y3, x, if you look at this point, x minus 4 y4, if you look at this point, x minus 5 y5. Look at this point, x2 y minus 2. Look at this point, x3 y minus 3. Always y coordinate is the minus x coordinate. See, numbers are the same but the signs are different. See, 3 3 but y is negative. Therefore y coordinate is the negative value of x coordinate. Therefore equation of this line is y equals negative x y equals negative x. Y equals negative x is the equation of this line. Now we are going to reflect these triangles in the line y equals negative x. Now first of all we look at this triangle. Now we are going to find the image of this point. Line of the graph paper passing through this point and the meeting the line of reflection is this line. It means the line of reflection at this point. Then the line of the graph paper from the other side of the line of reflection that comes to the line of reflection is this line. At the same point it meets the line of reflection. Then look at the two angles, they are equal. Then image of this point must lie on this line. At how much distance? This much distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 here. That is the image of that point. Then this point also lies on the same line, 3 boxes away from this one here. Then this point, the line of the graph paper passing through this point and intersecting the line of reflection is this line. And on the other side, the line of the graph paper which intersect the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Then look at the two angles, they are equal. Therefore image of this point must lie on this line at this much distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. Image points are found. Right. Now we will reflect. Let's say this is P dash. Now reflect this triangle. Now to find the image point of this one, line of the graph paper passing through this point and the line of reflection at this point is this line. It can intersect the line of reflection at this point. Then on the other side, the line of the graph paper that intersect the line of reflection is this line. This line. Then look at the two angles, they are equal. Then the image of this point lies on this line at this distance. Here 3 boxes, here also 3 boxes, here is the point. Then look at these 2 points. The line of graph paper passing through both these points is this and intersects at this point. Then the line of the graph paper on the other side of the line of reflection, that means the line of reflection is this line. Look at the angles, this one and this one, they are equal. Then image of these 2 points must lie on this one. At how much distance? This distance and this distance, here to here 4. Then here to here you get 4 here. That is the image of this point. Other point is 2 boxes away here. That is the image of this one. Let's say this is Q, this is Q1 dash. Right, that is the image of this triangle. It is reflected in the line of reflection y equals minus x. Now we will go to this triangle. Let's say this is R. Then look at the image of this point. Line of the graph paper passing through these 2 points is this line. Both the points lies on that. Then that line goes and meet the line of reflection is this at this point. Then from the other side, the line of the graph paper that comes and meets the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Now look at the 2 angles, they are equal. Therefore the image of these 2 points must lie on this line at this distance and at this distance. Here 4 and this one 2 boxes away here. Right. Now to find the image of this point, The line of the graph paper that pass through this point and intersect the line of reflection at this point is this line. It intersects the line of reflection at this line, and the line of the graph paper that intersect the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Then look at the two angles, they are equal, therefore image of this point must lie on this line. At how much distance? This much distance. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. Now we found the 3 points. That is the image when this triangle R is reflected in the line y equals minus x r dash. Right. Okay, now today's videos ends with that, and look at the other videos also. Here before I have posted 3 more videos, and watch those videos also, and improve your knowledge of reflections. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.